Right, how to backup or export your favorites using Internet Explorer. It's actually a similar process if you're using any other browser like Chrome or Mozilla, Firefox, Thunderbird, etc. The list goes on. Anyway, here we go. What we'll do is we'll click on Favorites, the Favorites tab. You can see all of your favorites down here, all of my favorites, I mean. And if I lost all these, I would be gutted. I would forget what I had bookmarked or saved in my favourites because I regularly go to certain sites which I forget about, and it's only when I'm in my favourites that I think, I remember that. I'll have a look at that. I'll have a look at that. Anyway, what we'll do is we instead of selecting added favourites, what we can do is we can select import export. And what we'll do is select export to file, and we'll select next, and then we've got three options. We can select favorites, feeds, and cookies. I'll select favorites and click next, and it will ask, and that's all of my favorites there. And I'll click next, and it's going to create an HTML page or a web page which displays your favorites in that format, in HTML format. And if you look at the path, it is C users Anthony Johnson, and it's going to store it in my documents as a file after the slash called bookmark.htm, not HTML. But I can browse if I want, and I can save that anywhere on the computer. I can save it on a memory stick, etc. It's up to you where you want to save it, but just remember where you save it. So here we go. Right, we'll save it here, and it will be called forward slash. It will be called bookmark.htm. Right, so we'll save it there, right, and it's called export, right. Yes, finish, right. And now what we'll do is if we go to my documents and if we look for the bookmarks, we search that, we'll see it there, and that was created today at 3 minutes to 10, and that's it there. That's all of my bookmarks. And if you look here, there they are. And if you want to re-import them, which is the whole point of saving them, you go to your browser, and what you would do is you would go to favorites, you would go to this boy at favorites, import export, and this time what we want to do is import our file again. And it's asking us what file do you want to import, and we want to import our favorites file. Next, what is the location of that file? It's the one that we saved it on, which is here, or we could browse for it. We'll go to next, and there they all are, import. We'll just wait a little bit. You have successfully imported these settings, so all of these should still be in there, and there they are there. And that is how to import your favorites and how to export your favorites with an Internet Explorer. Other browsers have a similar way of doing it, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful. The next tutorial will be understanding cookie files.